Hello, and thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice. While using Lightspeed Voice, you'll be able to integrate your phone system with QQ Catalyst, a cloud-based insurance agency management system. You'll first need to install AgenctSync, which allows QQ Catalyst to integrate with Lightspeed Voice by going to lightspeedvoice.com/download. Click on AgenctSync to download it. Depending on your browser, you should see the file called AgenctSync Setup download somewhere to your computer. Click on that zip file to open it, and then double-click on the setup file within it to start the installation. You may have a blue window pop up in which you can just click More Information and then Run anyway. Click Next twice, and you should see the program install. Once that completes, click Close. You'll need to open the program this time, but once opened, you shouldn't need to do this again as it runs in the background on your computer. There are 3 pieces of information that need to be entered into AgenctSync for it to work, which should be provided to you by Lightspeed Voice before setting up. If you don't have this information, email help@lightspeedvoice.com. The CRM URL along the bottom should be what is displaying on the screen now. Once this information has been entered, click OK. You'll see the box disappear, and if everything was entered correctly, it will stay hidden and run in the background. Now you'll need to input your QQ Catalyst credentials into your Lightspeed Voice server. Go to yourserver.prismpbx.com/CRM. When you reach this page, you'll be asked to enter your extension number and voicemail password, just as you did in AgenctSync. After that, from the drop-down, select QQ Catalyst. You'll then need to enter your QQ Catalyst username and password. Once that's done, click Submit. If it's all been entered correctly, you'll get a green response along the top. Now let's demo what will happen when answering a call with QQ Catalyst integrated on your phone system. You'll see that once the phone is answered, there's an immediate pop-up that displays the customer calling in and additional information like current policies. This allows you to be ready to answer any customer questions right away and skip the part about asking for their information. This has been integrating with QQ Catalyst, and thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice.